So first of all, I think it goes without saying that the AI era is absolutely here. We have an interesting stat here around the percentage of enterprises that we expect to adopt AI. And I think an interesting nuance in this stat is not that 85% will use exclusively AI, but will combine human expertise with AI by 2026. And I think that's a key theme, because when I say AI, I'm talking about the broader umbrella discipline that is AI. And that includes not just generative AI, but all kinds of AI subdisciplines. And there's quite the enterprise continuum of AI. I think what's really important to understand, especially in manufacturing context, is that different business problems require different parts of AI across the continuum. So if you are trying to extract information from very standardized text-based or document-based systems, then automation and analytics could be a great solution for you. But if what you're trying to do is to create new content, or you're trying to increase operational efficiency across large knowledge bases or data stores, then generative AI may be a great choice for you. So it's not an continuum, and it's not an either or, it's a what's right for what you're trying to do.